Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Some 2 days ago, there was an awareness made by the agitators for Biafra. That's IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra in particular, went around spreading the evangelism that there should be a sit at home. That was some 2 days, that's 48 hours ago. But as we speak, countdown already, we're in hours into the 30th of sit at home, 30th May sit at home order given by Biafran agitators, given by all Biafran agitators, most of them actually, IPOB being the one spearheading it just for the Remembrance Day of their fallen heroes. These guys paid the ultimate price, especially during the Biafran war, till date anyway. But as we speak, the security agencies have decided to give their warning. And we're going to quickly share that in a moment, and we're going to also show you the videos of the parade that is ongoing in Southeast right now. And of course, we'll also show you how the SCID, state SCID in Umuahia went down. The videos are all compact. You're going to see all the videos. We'll allow you to watch all the videos in a moment. But let's quickly tell you what the security agency had warned some few hours ago, just few hours ago. IPOB started, they told them, write your will, police tells IPOB. Imo State Police Command, in a statement by its spokesperson Bala Akana, said it was ready to deal with members of the group. It urged IPOB fighters to sign their wills before May 30, as the command was ready to decisively deal with them. To those who are bent on disturbing the peace of the state, we have this simple message for you: stay clear of the public space, or write your will before you step out. The command is battle ready to deal decisively with hoodlums and criminal elements in line with the law. You can see some of the parade going on, ensuring that there is peace and tranquility in the land, especially in Southeast. And with the way things are actually going on, one would actually be wondering, honestly, if you ask me, sit at home. It's for the good of all. If you are sitting at home, I don't think there's any problem. You're not going to encounter any problem of any kind. Anyway, let me allow you watch the parade as they are moving around, and of course, we would quickly take on what is going on in other parts of the country. Very quickly, watch the video together with me to see what the security personnel are doing around the streets, especially in Southeast.
Not finish. What's the name? Don't enter. So, no, this one will come na name now. This one will enter na name. Oh, but see beating, but can't see beating. The phone, as not this guy's phone. Bless if you do not smash him. Do not smash him.
You go outside, baby.
Don't smash this guy's phone. They get locked.
For shooting, you get.
I close this for some other. Father will shoot. I swear, we go check. Nothing, this is the last number.
For people with the worker.
All right, welcome back. For some of us who missed the video of how it went down in state SCID Umuahia, you're going to watch the video in a moment. There was a live update that was taken yesterday, and while all those things were going on, at some point when the inferno got so high and unbearable, there was, I think it was the UGM or the hoodlums, I don't know which one in particular because it was quite from a distance. They had to allow the inmates, to release them. And most of the inmates found their way. Some of them were able to move into neighboring houses. They were able to sneak into people's houses. But there was a reinforcement at some point by men of the Nigerian security forces to see how they could repel the efforts made by these hoodlums. I do not know if it is now hoodlums or if it is UGM, because now people are using, a lot of persons are coming with the name UGM to perpetrate all. But a lot of persons are of the opinion that it is actually UGM. But right now, there seems to be relative peace in Umuahia. But for hours ago, it was lit. A lot of issues happened and all that. But let me allow you watch the video how some of the inmates took off. At some point they had to, some of them used bikes and all that. But in all, some of them were even, it was a serious issue. Let me allow you watch the video, see for yourself what went by. Let's meet in the comment section after now what to take. Don't forget, today and tomorrow, I just pray that the Southeast will be in peace. Whether we like it or yes, peace is far better than war. Let's interact after the video, please. Have a nice time. God bless you. Bye.
What is happening? Look at what is happening. Look at what is happening. Imagine,
SCID, man, child.
See you. See you. She is on fire. No policeman is outside. May they come out. See amo.
Why did you come here, man? How far?
May they come out.
Yes, at Umuahia, city police station at Umuahia.
Oh my God. Hey. Oh my God. Jesus.
Those policemen who didn't say here, those of our kids, try, God. And
this side are dead though.
Oh.
They're still bringing fire outside.
See, look at.
See them.
This is happening live.